Good morning. Hey everybody. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Steph. I'm the Secret Slob, and every week I like to plan out my entire cleaning schedule and just things I want to get done around the house. I find this helps me get up every single morning, know exactly what I have to do, and not get totally overwhelmed. So let's get started planning. I hope you've had a chance to print off the sheet. If not, press pause, download it in the comments, or I usually put it in the description as well, and then start back up with me and we will get this week all planned out. I like to start by planning out my routines every week. They don't change for the most part, but if I can master these, it just sets up my whole week for success. So my morning routine typically consists of making my bed. It's really simple, not a lot of pillows. I get dressed to shoes, which means getting out of my pajamas. I'm a stay-at-home mom, so I don't go to work. Getting dressed is a big deal for me. Unloading the dishwasher, so I have a fresh empty dishwasher to put dishes in every single morning. I start one small load of laundry, and I do have a laundry schedule. I can link to my laundry schedule below. Start one load every day. I try to swish a bathroom, just one, every day to keep it clean. Then I don't ever have to do a giant, gross bathroom clean. And in the summer, I'm getting out into my garden every day and watering it, weeding it, and just checking it out. In the evening, but usually the afternoon, I do a big power tidy where I run around my house and pick up mostly toys, but also clothes and just anything that's been dropped. I have to put that load of laundry away that I started in the morning, and then I spend 2 minutes clearing off a hot spot, so a place where things have kind of gathered over the course of the day. In the evening, I start my dishwasher so that I can unload it in the morning, and the last thing I do before I go to bed is I shine up my sink. This just makes my whole kitchen sparkle, and it signals to me that I'm done for the day. This week, I'm going to add get to bed early because I've really been struggling with this, and when I don't get a good sleep, my whole next day is a struggle. So I'm going to really focus on getting to bed early, getting that laundry away, and also doing a bathroom swish. I encourage you to put a little star beside the tasks that you're going to super focus on this week at improving. So those are mine. Each week, I focus on a different area of my house to do my deep cleaning in. Because we are turning over into a new month this week, July, we are going to work on Zone 5 for the first half of the week, and then Zone number 1, switching over for the second half of the week. Personally, I'm probably going to focus all of my time in my basement because it's something that's been neglected for a while, and so I'll probably use up all of my hour, my entire 15-minute sections working in my basement, and that's just where I'm choosing to focus my time this week. Moving on to our daily focus, every week I do a weekly home blessing. I try to get it done on Monday, but if not, it gets done in little chunks throughout the week until everything's been finished. On Tuesday, I have to focus on getting my end of the month bills because everything's kind of due at the end of the month. I want to just make sure I haven't missed anything. On Wednesday, Anti-Procrastination Day is when we get something done we've been avoiding, and for me, I need to start getting my photos organized. I was totally inspired by getting my photos printed last week, and you know what? I'm just going to put together a plan and start finally working on my photos. Thursday is Errands Day in FLYLADY land, but I call it Self-Care Day because I don't do errands on Thursdays. And, I've been really tired, so I think I'm going to just watch a movie, maybe have a bath, or read a book. Just something really low-key. Friday, it's time to take the car to the car wash, so I'm going to do that, and then clean out my diaper bag and my purse. This weekend, we don't have any plans so far, so I'm going to leave that wide open, and we'll just see what happens. I'll probably fill it in as the week goes by. The reminder section is a great place where you can put your ongoing to-do list or even goals that you have that you want to accomplish this week. Getting into summer, I'm really feeling like a lot of our tasks are starting to wind down. I don't have a lot to do, so I'm going to put in Canada Day because that is this week, and that's really all I have going on. Planning my menu this week, I always like to make sure that I put down a few ideas here with ingredients that I already have in the house. Sometimes I totally go off page and make something completely different, but at least if I'm out of ideas, I can refer back to this list and I know I have the ingredients for that dish. Being summertime, I like to make a lot of stuff with fresh vegetables and fruits and salads, just really get all those yummy seasonal vegetables and fruits into me. So I'm going to do a shrimp salad, I think, and then chicken Caesar wraps. I have a really good Caesar salad dressing recipe made out of almonds. I'm going to make that. And then we have a tofu block in the fridge, so I'm going to do red Thai curry, which is always really nice and kind of fresh, even though it's a hot dish. Hamburgers in the summer, you got to do it. And then my bun salad, which is like a noodle Vietnamese salad, super yummy. Another meal we like to have pretty much every week is tacos, either fish tacos or sometimes meat tacos. But I'm going to make like a bean and roasted corn salad because I noticed there's corn in the cob in the stores now. So I'm going to make that. And I'm going to add potato salad in with my hamburgers because I just kind of have a hankering for it and I love potato salad. The last thing on my menu plan every week is leftovers, or if we don't have leftovers, we have takeout. So there is my plan for the week. It gives me everything I need to get done every single day. All I have to do is throw it up on the inside of a cupboard, or maybe you want to put it on your fridge and just check off the things you're getting done every day. Don't worry about being perfect. You're probably not going to get every single check mark. You probably won't get everything done, but at least you know what you have to do and which direction you're going every single morning. Always remember, progress, not perfection, is the name of this game. I hope you have a wonderful week, and if you're from Canada, Happy Canada Day. I will see you next week. Bye-bye.